Kenmore Elite HE3 dryer not heating. So one of the first things you can try is to check the heat setting first. So make sure the dryer is set to air dry, not heat or fluff air. Choose a normal heated cycle and test again. You can also go ahead and clean the lint screen and exhaust vent. Remove lint from the lint filter and then check the vent hose behind the dryer, since a clogged vent can block airflow and cause the dryer to stop heating or even overheat. You can also try resetting the dryer by unplugging it for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a heated cycle. This could clear a temporary control issue, but it will not fix a failed part, of course. Then you can try testing the heating parts if it still has no heat. If the dryer still runs with no heat, the likely parts are the thermal fuse, thermal cutoff fuse, the high limit thermostat, the heating element for electric models, or gas valve coils for gas models. So if you think the problem is a broken part, something from the inside, it's much better to actually call over some sort of technician or Kenmore support so that further damage will be prevented. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your HE3 dryer is not heating properly. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.